Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can kind of like blur out some information that you don't want to show on camera, but you like already already in your videos and you just don't want the hassle of like cutting that out. You just want to blur it out. I'm just going to use SpongeBob's license as an example because it's, you know, SpongeBob. But you're going to just copy and paste your photo or video. Go to effect and you're going to go to blur, which is in lens. Add it to your video and you can adjust like the opacity of the blur as well. If you want it to be more blurred out, you can do that. You're going to then select the photo and the blur part, create compound clip, go to mask, and then select the rectangle one or like the circle one. I don't know what you want to blur, but I want to like blur out this. For instance, I can just use the rectangle tool. You can also like add keyframes. So for instance, if it moves around in your video, you can definitely do that. And you're just going to want to feather it out a little bit so it doesn't look too like stiff, I guess. And it only blurs out that part, as you can see. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!